How to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation error. So if you want to fix we can't activate Windows on this device, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your command prompt at first, go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and here you need to enter a command which is in the description below. You just need to simply copy the command and paste it right here and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you just need to simply go back and your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, make sure to restart your device, and after that you need to again open up your CMD as an administrator and go with yes and enter the second command which is in the description. So right click on the space, go with edit and then go with paste. Once you paste it, now hit the enter, and after hitting the enter you need to restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.